everyone, today I'll be telling you about why mango seeds are important. Mango seeds can also be called mung beans, and mung beans are one of the most important and best plant-based sources of protein. They're rich in essential amino acids, antioxidants, and nutrients that may help reduce blood pressure and LDL cholesterol levels and heart disease risk. Mango is also good for proteins, vitamins, minerals, fiber, oligosaccharides, and polyphenols. They contribute to this valuable food's antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-tumor activities. Mung beans are also beneficial in the regulation of lipid-bolism. Mango seeds are also rich in potassium, copper, thiamine, vitamin B1, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, and manganese. They provide smaller amounts of selenium, calcium, choline, and vitamin K. Mango beans require moisture to soften the seed coat and begin the germination process. Soaking mung beans for a few hours before planting allows the seed to swell and begin softening prior to planting. Ensure adequate moisture by pre-irrigating your soil before planting your mung beans if you want to plant them. A fact about mango seeds is it is a nitrogen-rich crop used in intercropping rotation and relay cropping. Farmers plant mango during the second cropping season due to its low moisture content. It is a fairly drought-tolerant crop with a short maturity period. It is also used as a substitute for soybean meal in poultry feed formulation.